welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Hey girl, hey. Today I am feeling myself just a little bit. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how to get this beautiful hairstyle. I say everything I do is beautiful. That's because everything I do is beautiful. So yeah, this video is sponsored by Sogoodhair, and they sent me their 14-inch bob, and I cut a bang into it, as you guys can see, and it turned out so nice. So when you receive the hair, it will come in a box like this. Their packaging is so cute. It's so simple, and they have their information on the back and also some information on how you can take care of the hair. And yeah, inside came the wig, of course, and it came with some things inside of this little bag. The little bag came a hair wrap, but it just has their company name up there, and that's Sogoodhair, and their hair is so good. It also came with a band for you to put in your wigs, like if it's not tight enough. It came with some wig caps, and I'm using one of them, and it also came with some lashes. Yeah, so if you want to see how to get this look, then stay tuned. So y'all, I'm not gonna be talking through this video for real. I'm just gonna be showing you guys pretty much how I do it. So if you want to see how I install my wig, then I advise you to go watch my how to make any wig glueless video, because I did exactly the same thing that I did in that video. And yeah, you can pretty much just watch what I'm doing now. And y'all, I don't know what it is on my sleeve, but it's some kind of stain, so just ignore it please, because I really don't know what it is. So I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it just looks like this right now. So I came across like a bunch of pictures of a half up, half down with a bang. You know what? Actually, I don't think I want to do a bang. I think I want to keep it like curled and just like do a half up, half down like that. Y'all think that'll be cute? I think that'll be cute. Maybe like in the top knot. I don't know. I think I'm about to do that. For some reason I do not like it anymore. I feel like it would look so much better if it had a bun. I mean, if it had a bang. Y'all, I'm about to just attempt to do this thing. I'm about to stop fronting with myself. I'm about to just go ahead, like. So I am going to talk y'all through the part where I do my bangs. And this was actually my first time cutting a bang, and it came out real good. So the first thing I'm going to do is part my hair where I want my bang to be. Then I went in with my wand curler and my flat irons, and I just used those to flatten the hair and straighten it out, so when I cut it, I can get an even cut. And then I went in with my scissors, and I just started cutting the bang and twisting it at the same time, because I didn't want a blunt cut bang. So this was allowing it to be like more framing to my face. And then I started going in like a zigzag motion as I was cutting it. That kind of like created a fringe bang look, and that was pretty much it. After that, I just tied the hair down, and yeah, that was pretty much how I cut my bang. I think I did pretty good. Like when I actually flatten it and lay it down and everything, I think it's gonna be really pretty. So, whoa, what the fuck? So yeah, I didn't show this part, but I already had my hair parted from ear to ear for the half up, half down look. And I left the corners out, like where my ears are. I don't know if y'all can understand, but I left those two pieces out. And then I went in with some Got To Be Freeze Blast, and I just sprayed my ponytail to get rid of all the flyaways. Okay. My ponytail is popping pretty much. Now I'm about to, if this hair don't get off my fucking lip. Now I'm about to go in and cut the lace And yeah, I think I'm gonna do my baby hairs like on the sides because I don't want it to be just super plain. So yeah, I'm about to cut the lace and I'll be back to show you guys. I'm also going to straighten the hair because I feel like it will look better straight versus curly. So this is the finished look, you guys. I went ahead and straightened the hair. I tied down the bang and everything because it was sticking up. And as you can see, this part is still sticking up. But as time goes, it'll flatten out more. But I love this look. I literally love it. I feel like I look like a cheerleader or something. And it's really giving me like high school girl vibes. And it's so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is literally my first time cutting a bang. And it came out so nice. I didn't want to put out a simple video, a simple look. I wanted to do something different, and it came out very nice. So if you guys like this look, you can just go ahead and leave a comment down below, leave a like for me, and subscribe. And make sure you follow me on all my social medias, which will also be down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.